white female, 4 feet 8 inches tall, and weighs 70 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair. She was last seen wearing a pink shirt, black capri pants, and wearing brown glasses. She was last seen getting into a white, newer model Toyota 4-door, driven by a white male, 55 to 65 years of age, 6 feet tall, weighing 185 pounds to 200 pounds, with white hair and a white beard or goatee. If you see this vehicle, please call 911 or the Cody Police Department at 307-527-8700.